Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials: headset plugged in, speakers on, and system volume up. Next, close competing apps so Zoom can claim the audio device. This prevents driver conflicts. Once done, open Zoom and join a test meeting. Do not auto-join audio. Click Join Audio and pick the device you intend to use. Doing this first eliminates common device selection errors, so the next steps can focus on driver and app settings rather than the basics. Now, go into Zoom settings, right arrow audio, and explicitly choose your microphone and speaker from the drop-downs. Do not rely on defaults. Click Test Speaker, then Test Mic and speak. Watch the input meter to confirm Zoom receives audio. If your device is absent, open your OS sound control and disable exclusive access so Zoom can use the device. Once the device appears, reselect it in Zoom and retest. This resolves most selection and permission-related. Finish by updating or reinstalling your audio drivers, then reboot so changes take effect. After restart, retest in Zoom. If the app still fails, try the Zoom web client to isolate the issue between app and system. Make sure microphone permissions are enabled in the OS privacy settings and avoid unpowered USB hubs for headsets. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is this: swap to a simple USB or analog headset to determine if the fault is the device or system configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.